Good morning, chat. Say good morning to the chat.
Ohio gozaimasu.
We are, what's today? Saturday? Saturday. We're heading to the Imperial Palace. Try to get this day started, get some cool photography. So, here we go. We made it to the Imperial Gardens. Peak. Oh yeah. So we went to the Imperial Palace, and that was a little bit of, I don't know.
And we didn't see the Imperial Palace. We just walked on Inouye Street. Inouye Street?
We just walked on a street, saw some trees. It wasn't even in bloom.
They were like partially in bloom.
We actually saw better trees
on the side of the road.
On the side of the road.
But
Crazy.
It's for the experience.
Yeah, we waited in line just to see
right here.
Nothing.
We're gonna get some gyukatsu. We've been waiting in line for probably like 30 minutes.
What's gyukatsu?
That.
That. Oh, fumble. Guys, the yen took advantage of me.
Once again.
I got him.
You got two, actually.
I got two, actually. All bad. It's okay. I'm only here one time. What did you get?
I got one pair. And then I got... Man, these are gifts. Plus a fan for myself.
Gifts for yourself.
These are gifts.
Okay. Where are we going now?
Now we're going to Kapabachi Street.
She about to get a knife, yo.
I'm gonna get a knife. I want to get a grill. I want to get little cups.
She wants to consume it all, baby.
Ceramics.
All of it.
What is 32?
Who cares?
I do.
It's a yen. We still need a wand.
I need wands.
Guys, we made it to the wand shop.
Made it to the wand shop.
Hold up. Let me show everybody.
Osaka Sakai and the Seki and the Niigata Tsutomu-san.
Which one did you get?
Lock it in.
Show the people.
I forgot. This one, this too?
Yeah,
Is hammer?
hammer. Yeah, this style is the hammer.
Mm-hmm.
Do you take it?
Oh,
Okay,
I'll
it's
take
there. Yeah. I'll give you a new one.
That's where it's from. What'd you get?
Got a knife.
Use all
You want to spend some money?
Do you want to spend some money?
I need to buy my girl now.
Oh God.
It's original price. Original.
It's original price.
Yes, you can get 10% drop from this price.
Oh, yay.
It's a priceless. How do you like it?
Arigatou gozaimasu.
You're letting it take advantage of you. Tap that thing. Oh.
Oh, did it.
Oh. My cousin dropping yen like it's nothing. We out here spending. Crazy. But we only in Japan one time, so.
I got my knife from Ichizen.
She got the knife.
I just bought my knife from Ichizen. And I got a stone, sharpening stone, polishing stone. And then...
She's about to chef it up.
But my knife is hammer made. Which
Whatever.
is cool.
Is that how it? That's.
This is where it's from Ichizen. Preserves traditional hand forging techniques renowned for handcrafted Japanese style knives by skilled artisans.
So
There's only 5 in Japan.
you got your wand.
I got my wand, Harry.
Let's go. So my cousin's on this great adventure for what are you looking for?
Ishiyaki and a hitakondo.
Something to grill your meat. She's looking for a very specific one, and we're going through every store right now on a
I should
mission.
just ask them.
So hopefully we find it.
When in Japan, okay?
Tell them what else you're
I'm
getting.
gonna get a cup.
Wait, show the
And
cup.
It's a really nice cup. $13.
Bro, we literally were just walking and she took like a quick glance to the left and was like, oh, I need the cup. Unbelievable.
These are like little martini, like stone martini glasses.
Bro, she's about to buy everything.
I'm gonna buy 2 bowls.
Oh,
They're mini bowls.
So what we got?
In Asakusa, we got strawberry mochi with red bean, I think. I don't know how you're supposed to eat this, but
Gas?
my strawberry is really sweet.
Too sweet?
No, the red bean. Wow, that's really good mochi. The red bean, really good. Let me finish it. Did you try the strawberry?
No.
That mochi is fire.
Mm. Wow.
That was good.
That's a really sweet strawberry.
But like the red bean and stuff like balances it out.
Wow. Damn. What do we get?
You got, it says 1 bite chicken. This looks like multiple bites of chicken. Look how big one piece is, and it's fresh. They just fried it.
Smack it up.
Are you gonna try one too?
Yeah.
Oh, here's your fork. You want me to get one for you?
Yeah.
There. Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold
I
it.
got it. Cheers.
Cheers. It might be really hot.
Mmm. Mmm.
It's so hot. It's so fresh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you put the whole thing in your mouth. It's hot.
Good morning. It's Sunday. Where are we going today?
We're going to Mount Fuji.
We're running to Mount Fuji today.
We're on the amazing race.
We're trying to make up time because we almost didn't book a round trip. I mean, we did, but then we didn't get a confirmation. Sorry, Grandpa. Well, we heading to the bus to go to Mount Fuji today. About to see some cool ass scenery. So be ready for that. Guys, we made it on the bus.
We're going to see Mount Fuji.
We ran.
Show them the bus. Show them the bus. Wait. Yeah.
Hold up. Denim jeans.
Then
Japanese
we
denim.
have plates, trays, and we have an outlet down there. Oh, there's overhead space, so we can put our bags up there. Nice. I'm gonna do that. Don't look at
Allergies, man. They be killing me. Showtime, baby. Guys, we made it to Mount Fuji. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's right there. Someone's out of shape, yo.
I'm so out of breath.
We're just climbing to the top to see the pagoda. It's pretty beautiful out here, though. See you at the top. Guys, we're gonna be in this line for a minute. Look at this line. It's forever. It's worse than Disneyland.
I kind of just want to go. Yeah, there's gonna be people.
Guys, this sucks. The clouds took over.
Yeah.
Can't really see anything anymore. Oh well.
Thank you very much.
We didn't make it in time. Mount Fuji's like right there. Mother Nature decided to put the clouds in front of the mountain. So 3 for 3 on sightseeing.
Views.
We got no views this whole
Only from the
trip.
bus. Only from the bus.
From the bus. Oh well.
Oh well.
Those are massive. Yo, why are these apples so big? The apple, yo.
It's like as big as my face.
Pretty much. Let me see. Holy cow.
It doesn't. I can't even. I can grip it. It's bigger. It's like a softball. Maybe bigger than a softball.
Fuji apples
They
near
sliced
Mount.
Fit for us.
Fuji apples in Mount Fuji.
Yes.
It's like a Fuji apple.
It's like a regular fucking apple.
Well, I'm getting my fruit in, Mom.
Bye, bro.
We're at the apple pie lab.
I got the Jonathan.
I don't remember right.
Akibe.
Akibe.
This one is less sweet.
I got more sweet.
It was cold though. It's so good.
We're gonna taste it right now.
That's good. This is sweet for me. That means yours might be really sweet. I think it's like the ratio of green apples to like red apples. Is it sweet? Want to taste mine?
Yeah.
Mine's like a little bit on the tart side. I like this crust though. It's like a flaky croissant, buttery crust.
What a find.
I didn't even know this was here.
The allergies got to me. Look at my eyes. We're gonna go see some panoramic views.
We could always get omurice tomorrow too, you know?
saw some cool shit.
That shit was sick.
Mm-hmm.
Highly recommend.
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10.
Do it again.
I did good.
Guys, we finally hit the jackpot on the cherry blossoms. Finally. Let's go. It took us the whole entire trip to finally get to this park. Pretty nice.
I might want to try the skirt steak.
Last night in Tokyo, how was your trip?
It was good. I'm tired.
I'm tired, Grandpa.
I'm tired.
We're just walking back to the hotel. Pretty much did everything that we said we were gonna do,
Except thrift.
except thrift. But somebody went in on the shopping.
The end took advantage.
And took advantage.
Took advantage of me.
That's it. End of trip, guys. We are done.
We still have
Peace.
tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah. Never mind.
Damn,
My-
I didn't want to get the fuck out of here.
I want to go home, guys. Oh shit. I want to go home. I miss my bed. But I will miss everything about this place. How clean it is, the food. I don't know.
The cherry blossom.
It's nice.
The people.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's our last morning here in Tokyo, and we have one last adventure to go to. Where are we going?
We're gonna get ramen.
We gotta get ramen one more time. So, ramen for breakfast. Let's go.
The only thing that's open right now, actually.
What is it? Ichiban?
Ichiran.
Ichiran. Hell yeah, baby. All right, almost there. Last meal. Boom.